Imagine a kid who looks at a banana and doesn't think about eating it. He thinks about questions like, who controls this banana? How did it travel here? Who makes the most money from it? That mindset is rare. And that mindset is exactly how Elon Musk became rich. This story is not about luck. It's not about genius coding skills. And it's definitely not about getting rich fast. This is about seeing bananas differently than everyone else. Meet Elon. He doesn't grow up with banana farms. He doesn't inherit banana warehouses. He doesn't start with piles of bananas waiting for him. What he does have is curiosity. While other people enjoy bananas, Elon studies the entire banana system. How bananas are priced, how bananas are traded, how middlemen take profit without touching a single banana. He becomes obsessed with systems, not fruits. And this obsession quietly changes everything. Most people make a critical mistake with bananas. They believe, if I can get more bananas, I'll be rich. So they chase higher salaries, more working hours, better jobs. But Elon sees a different problem. He realizes that the people making real money aren't the ones holding bananas, they are the ones controlling how bananas move. Instead of trying to earn bananas faster, Elon tries to redesign the banana marketplace. This decision separates him from everyone else. Elon builds his first banana-related system. Not a banana farm, not a banana shop, a platform that makes banana trading faster, easier, and more efficient. People love it. Big banana companies notice it. Eventually, one of them buys it and pays Elon a massive amount of bananas. Now, here's where the trap appears. Most people would stop here. They would finally relax. They would protect their bananas. They would play safe for the rest of their life. That's the trap. Comfort kills growth. Elon refuses comfort. Instead of spending his bananas, Elon reinvests them again and again and again. He puts nearly all his bananas into ideas that sound impossible. Electric banana trucks when everyone else uses fuel trucks. Reusable banana rockets when rockets are supposed to be destroyed. The world laughs. Investors doubt him. Experts criticize him. Media calls him reckless. Then things get worse. Rockets fail repeatedly. Bananas burn fast. Electric trucks struggle to sell. Elon is closer to zero bananas than ever before. This is the breaking point. Most people quit here. Imagine losing almost all your bananas because you believe too hard. Most people would feel regret. They would think, I should have played safe. I should have protected what I had. I should have stopped dreaming. But Elon's regret is different. His biggest fear is not losing bananas. His biggest fear is thinking small. So instead of backing down, he pushes forward. When fear is highest, he commits even deeper. Eventually, something changes. One rocket works, then another, then another. Electric banana trucks gain attention. Belief replaces doubt. Investors don't invest because of profits. They invest because of vision. And here's the most important lesson. Elon doesn't become rich because he earns more bananas. He becomes rich because he owns large pieces of the banana systems he builds. When people believe those systems will shape the future, the value of his bananas multiplies. One banana becomes 10, 10 becomes 100, hundreds become billions. This is how real wealth is created. Elon Musk didn't chase money. He chased problems no one else wanted to solve. He didn't work for bananas. He built systems that control bananas. If you want real wealth, stop asking, how can I earn more? Start asking, what system can I build or own? If you want more powerful money stories explained simply, subscribe and stay with us. Because once you understand bananas, you understand wealth.